Hi, my name is Ramon Carrion. We're here at Fiorella's restaurant of Newton, and today we're going to be making a quick and easy pizza sauce. Now the beauty of this pizza sauce is that it doesn't need to be cooked. We do it nice, quick, easy. I've opened up a can of tomato sauce, 15-ounce can, put in this container here. And what we're going to do is add some tomato paste to it. And the reason you do that is just to make it a little thicker. Gives it a nice texture when you're putting it on the pizza. I have some nice fresh chopped garlic that we add, about a teaspoon. And oregano. You can just use dry oregano, is fine, a teaspoon of that as well. And then salt and pepper to taste. Salt is going to depending on what kind of tomato sauce that you get. You know, the canned version, some of them have higher salt content than others, so just be careful of that. I just, like doing it by taste and by eye. So a little salt and pepper, and mix away. Now this sauce can be kept in the refrigerator for over a week. It's going to be fine. Tomatoes there isn't a problem. This portion is great for about, I would say, two 12-inch round pizzas. And the other thing about the sauce is the longer you let it sit, the better it tastes. I think it needs a couple of hours before you use it at least. Preferably the next day is where really all the flavors blend together and come out really nice and flavorful. So that's it. That's your basic pizza sauce. Very easy, very quick. There's nothing to it.